In this video, I'll show you that you do not need one menu item for every Joomla article you have in order for that article to have a search engine friendly URL. Brought to you by mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Head on over to mysites.guru and get a free site audit for it. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 315 here on the Basic Joomla channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also work on Joomla sites, build them, maintain them, migrate them, other things. If you're looking to hire short-term or long-term, or even just to get yourself out of a spot, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk. All right, let's turn our attention to the screen, and we will see what I'm talking about. Now, there was a time in the distant past that if you wanted all of your articles to have a search engine-friendly URL, you needed a Joomla menu item that was pointing to each of them. But that is in the past, but some people continue on with that practice. It's not necessary, but you do need to do something in order for all of your articles to have those SEF URLs and have them processed through Joomla's router. And I'll show you what you need to do. All right, so here in the back end of this Joomla site that I've been abusing for a while, you'll see I have created an article, test article with no menu item. It is assigned to uncategorized, all right, the uncategorized category. Uncategorized right now has no menu item pointing to it. So when we look at this article in the front end, we will see a non-SEF URL. We see the article ID and the category ID. All right, now let's change this up a bit. I'm going to assign this article to a category that I've created called no menu item. Now again, this category that I've created has no menu item pointing towards it as well. So we'll get the same results when we preview this page. Nothing up there. However, watch what happens if we make a menu item pointing to that. We're going to go to here, a new menu item. Let's just do a category blog. We'll call this menu link yes menu item. And I'll fix my capital Y there. And we'll go select articles, category blog. In this case, we could do a list. And now we're going to select the category, and it's the no menu item category. We will save, and we will go back here to our article. We'll save it so that any changes that might be there get processed through. Now watch, when we preview this article in the front end, it gets an SEF URL because this article is underneath a category that has a menu item pointing to it. However, this does not mean that you have to have a menu item pointing to every single category now, because if your article is assigned to a category that has a parent category or further up the levels with a menu item pointing to it, your article will have an SEF URL. Let me show you. If we go back to our categories here, we will go to our no menu item. And now let's move it underneath as a parent. Let's move it underneath help. And now let's go and delete the menu item that points to this category that we've created. We'll check there, go up, actions, trash. We'll filter options, select status, trashed. We'll empty them all. There it is right there. Delete. Yes. Now, there is no menu item pointing to the category that this article is assigned to, but the category parent of that category does have a menu item. And watch what happens. We go, we preview, and the page has an SEF URL. You don't need a menu item for every single Joomla article in order for it to have an SEF URL. Subscribe for more videos. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites and God bless.